In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Mailchimp campaign to a single email address. This is a handy solution if you're looking to send a targeted message without involving your entire audience. Now, typically Mailchimp is designed to send campaigns to lists or segments of subscribers. However, there's a simple way to tailor a campaign to reach just one person, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you've logged in, head over to the Audience tab. This section is essential because it manages who you're sending your emails to. After accessing the Audience tab, the next step is to click on All Contacts. Here, you'll need to create a new audience by selecting Create Audience. If you already have an audience that suits your needs, you can opt to use that as well. The following step involves adding your recipient's email. Click on Add Contacts, then choose Add a Subscriber. Here you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you wish to send your campaign to. Make sure you fill in all the necessary details such as their first and last name. Once that's done, go ahead and hit Save. This will ensure the recipient's information is properly stored and ready for your campaign. Once you've set up your audience, it's time to move on to creating your campaign. Navigate to the Campaigns tab and select All Campaigns. From here, you'll see the option to create campaign in the top right corner. Click on that and then choose Email from the presented options. After selecting Email, it's time to choose Regular Email as the type of campaign you're creating. This option allows you to create a standard email campaign. Give your campaign a meaningful name, as this will help you keep track of your campaigns, especially if you plan on sending more in the future. Now comes the part where we specify the recipient. In the To field, click on Add Recipients, and from the drop-down menu, select the audience you created earlier. This ensures that the crafted email reaches the targeted address you just added. With the recipient set, you're ready to create your content. Carefully design your email, making sure to include all the relevant information you wish to convey. Once you're satisfied with your email, the final step is to either send it immediately or schedule it for a later time. Mailchimp provides flexibility here depending on when you want your message to be delivered, and there you have it, a simple yet effective way to send a Mailchimp campaign to a single email address. It's a fantastic method for those occasions when a personalized touch is required. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.